Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, February 24th. So the market last week made a new all-time high. S&P did, and so did NASDAQ 100, NDX, or QQQ. But then it failed and came back. So again, a potentially false breakout. But it doesn't necessarily mean we're in a bear market. We're just back in that trading range. It's a wide trading range. There's been plenty of volatility within the trading range. We've seen this morning already some volatile action right after the opening. And so, it doesn't mean that the market will be dull. It just means that it's not necessarily going up. So the equity-only put-call ratios have rolled over to sell signals. That's a new sell signal. That just happened in the last couple of days. Breadth has been pretty bad. It tried to improve last week when the market made new all-time highs, but it just really couldn't do it. And so the breadth oscillators are negative as well. New highs are still clinging to a small edge over new lows right now, although we did see new lows outnumber new highs on the New York Stock Exchange on Friday. So if that happens again today, that will be another sell signal. VIX itself has begun to rise, but not too fast. It rose up to 18 on Friday. That hasn't set off any sell signals yet, but a further continuation to the upside here would generate some sell signals from VIX. So the big difference between, I'd say, now and the last time SPX had this false upside breakout was that the internal indicators were still somewhat bullish. Now they seem to be rolling over to the bearish side, so we're going to be acting on them, individually as those signals take place. But this is a more bearish scenario than we'd seen before, and it doesn't necessarily mean we're in a bear market, but it certainly was disappointing to many people to see the market have another false upside breakout, if that's really what has occurred. I had mentioned volatility. The construct of volatility derivatives remains bullish, though. Even though VIX itself is trying to rise, the term structure of the future still slopes upwards. So all in all, we're continuing to trade individual indicator signals as they happen. We're adjusting the stops on sell signals as well, or buy signals. And we'll continue to roll positions that are deeply in the money. So I invite you to visit our website, take a look at our daily letters where we address these things in a more timely manner. And meanwhile, have a great week trading.